Can your parents' home still go through probate even if they already have a trust? I'm Rosanna Savone, estate planning attorney. I help California families protect their homes and savings from probate court. Here's the mistake I see all the time. Families set up a trust, often through DIY forms or budget services, but they never transfer the house into the trust. That step is called funding. If the deed is still in your parents' name, the home will still go through probate. And probate in California isn't quick. It can take up to 2 years, cost tens of thousands of dollars in fees, and force your family to pay the mortgage, insurance, and taxes, all for a house they can't even sell. Now, if you work with a qualified attorney, they should transfer the home into the trust as part of their services. If they didn't, that's a red flag. So here's how to check. Pull the deed. If it doesn't mention the trust, the home isn't protected. Don't let your family get caught by this mistake. Download my free guide, 5 Silent Mistakes That Put Families in Court. It shows you what to watch out for when choosing who to work with. And join me at T and Trusts, where I'll walk through how to get real protection in place.